Hello everyone, this is Unboxer King and welcome to the channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing or opening up my copy of Rise Valentine's Day Fortune card. This is, I bought 15 trading card set. This comes with, I think, 2 Fortune card and 1 photo card. So all in all, we'll be getting 15 photo cards. For this particular merchandise, there are 6 members, and each member has, I think, 2 concept and 1 selfie photo card. So it means there are 18 photo cards all in all to collect for this one. Since I only bought 15, definitely we're not going to be completing all the 18 photo cards, but it will allow us to get as many photo cards as we can, and then we'll just purchase the remaining photo card elsewhere. So we have here the packaging. Just to give you an idea, this is the front and then this is the back. There you go, it's random, so hopefully, cross our fingers, we don't receive any, or at least minimum duplicate for this unboxing. So let's start with this one, the first one. Okay, so we have, I think this is the scratch cards. So we have, this is the back of the scratch card, and this is, or the fortune card, this is the front. I'm not gonna scratch it right now because I want to carefully scratch this. But I think I'm gonna be collecting this one. I think there's only one fortune card per member, so I think we'll be able to complete this really easily. So these are the scratch card. As mentioned, there are 2, and then for the random photo card, we have 1, 2, 3. We have Sohi. Nice. So this is a selfie photo card of Sohi. So let's put Sohi here. There you go. Okay, let's do the second. So again, there are 2 scratch card. And then for the selfie photo card, or the photo card, we have, okay, we have another selfie, which is Sunchan. Nice. So we'll put Sunchan somewhere here. Next, for the third one, we have, okay, another 2 fortune card. And then for the selfie, we have 1, 2, 3. Oh no, it's a duplicate of Sohi. It's fine, as long as we'll get more photo card than duplicate. That's okay with me. So next one we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have Unso. Nice, we're getting a lot of selfie photo cards. Next, okay, for this one we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have a concept photo card of Unso. We're kind of Unso blessed. I think most of our unboxing from the previous merchandise, there are a lot of Unso. So for this one, we have 1, 2, 3. Oh, another Unso. There you go. As I was saying, don't jinx us. Okay, next we have this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh no, we now have 3 of the Unsok selfie photo card. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have Sunchan. That's the concept photo card. That's a concept photo card of Sunchan. Nice. Next, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, another Sohi selfie. So we're still missing Shotaro, Wonbin, and Anton. Okay, another. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have Anton's concept photo card. Nice. We still have 5 more. So this one. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. We have Unso, that's a duplicate. So far we got 5 out of the 15 photo card. Not a great odds for us. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have the selfie of Anton, which is really nice. I think out of all the photo card, this is the most expensive one. Okay, we have 3 more. So this is 1, 2, 3. Another Unso. So do reach out to me if you have some of the photo cards that that I need, and if you like some of the photo card that I got, which are duplicates. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There you go. We have this selfie of Wonbin, which is nice. So the only member that we haven't got yet is Shotaro. So hopefully this one is Shotaro as well. We already have 5 of the selfie photo card. So we're just missing Shotaro. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is another Anton. Okay, so basically for this unboxing, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 Unsuk, 2 Sunshan, 1 Bin, 1 Sohi, and 2 Anton. So it means we have 8 out of the 15 photo card. It's not great, but I'll take it. We'll now have time now to look for the other photo cards. So this is my unboxing of Rise Valentine's Day Fortune Card Trading card. So if you want this type of content and if you want to support my channel, please consider subscribing to it and hitting the like button. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.